Hi everybody, it's 1:15 and 6 seconds on January 16th. This is now the main drawing for the House of Secrets 92 and the Swamp Thing #1. Here are the 56. Over here on the left are the 56 filled spots. Now in this one, whoever comes in first place is going to get the House of Secrets. Whoever comes in second place will get the Swamp Thing #1. People with multiple spots, and many of you do, should you come in first and second, you will win both books. So let's roll our 3 dice. The number is 7. I'm going to randomize 7 times. Again, name at the top of the list gets the House of Secrets. Second name on the list gets the Swamp Thing. Best of luck. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and here is the final one, 7. Matt Maring comes in first, Jeff Lewis comes in second. Matt gets the House of Secrets, Jeff Lewis gets the Swamp Thing. Time is 1:16 and 14.